this video, I'm going to show you the best aerator pump, which is a semi-solar pump to use to add oxygen to your fish pond. And I will not stop there. I'll also show you the steps in how to create a good aerator system for your fish pond. So please stay watching. And before I take you through the steps of creating the aerator system, let me tell you the importance of using aerator or adding oxygen into your pond in the first place. First and foremost, it improves fish health and growth. Adding the oxygen level increases, or it gives you adequate oxygen level that supports fish metabolism, digestion, and overall health, leading to better growth rates and lower mortality. The second thing is that it prevents oxygen depletion. Ponds can suffer from low oxygen, especially at night or during hot weather. Aeration ensures a continuous oxygen supply, preventing fish kills. The third reason is that it enhances water circulation. The aeration not only adds oxygen but also moves water, preventing stagnation, and it also prevents stratification. And stratification is where there are different temperature or different oxygen level across the pond. So this prevents stratification, and that means that there will be even temperature level and there will be even oxygen level across the pond in the system. The fourth thing is that it also reduces toxic gas buildup. Aeration helps release harmful gases like ammonia and carbon dioxide, and it also improves water conditions for fish. Fifth, it supports beneficial bacteria. Good bacteria in the pond need oxygen to break down waste and organic matter, reducing sludge buildup and maintaining cleaner water. The sixth reason is that adding oxygen to your pond prevents algae blooms. So by circulating water and maintaining a balanced oxygen level, aeration can limit excessive algae growth, which competes with fish for oxygen. So adding oxygen and also circulating the water will prevent that. The seventh reason is that it minimizes fish stress. Stable oxygen levels reduces fish stress, making them less susceptible to diseases and improving survival rate. The eighth and the last point is that it maintains a balanced ecosystem. A well aerated promotes a healthier and more stable aquatic environment, which benefits fish, plants, and microorganisms. There are several ways of adding oxygen into your pond, but this system is very effective because it does not only add the oxygen, but it also makes the water to move, therefore preventing what I said earlier, that is stratification. Stratification is a layer of water with different temperature and oxygen levels, so this prevents that. There are other aeration systems, it only agitates bubbles alone and it doesn't make the water to circulate. That's why I love this method. So it will add the oxygen, and when the oxygen is working and you see the bubbles running through the system, that is the effective way of the system working. Haven't watched the video and have seen steps by step how we build up this system, it is not enough to keep the same water running and without changing it. You also need flotation system to complement this to ensure effective reuse of that same water. And that's what I call the recirculating aquatic system. The recirculating aquatic system comprises the components of aeration system and flotation system. So now you have seen how the aeration system is being built. It might not be enough for you, and there are several ways. So you need to also know how to build your own flotation system. And if you are wondering how, you have covered. We have had a DIY, that is do it yourself, aquatic system and aeration system. In this DIY, it gives you a complete and a step-by-step videos on how to install your own filtration system and your own aeration system. So you can check that one out. It is super affordable, and the good news is that you will be given 30% discount as of now, because that discount has limited values. So it's first come first serve, and you can use the code FACO for 30% discount. So check the link in the description to sign up for the course and get enrolled, and you'll be equipped with the right and adequate information to take your fish journey to the next level. And if you're a complete beginner and you also want a guide, I have an ebook guide, comprehensive guide to fish farming. You can check that one out, and it will help you to have a successful fish farm. Thank you very much for watching. If you have been inspired, please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.